Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a cold with Theraflu step by step clearly. Start by identifying the symptoms of your cold. Common symptoms include a runny nose, congestion, sore throat, and fatigue. Once you recognize these symptoms, it's time to take action. Begin by collecting your supplies. You will need Theraflu, water, and a glass. Read the instructions on the Theraflu package carefully. Choose the right Theraflu product based on your symptoms. For example, you might select a variant for cold and flu relief. Next, measure out the recommended dosage as indicated on the package. Pour the Theraflu powder into a glass. Add hot water to the glass. Stir the mixture until the powder is completely dissolved. Let the drink cool slightly before taking it. Once it's at a comfortable temperature, sip slowly. As you take Theraflu, focus on staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. You may also want to have herbal tea or clear broth. Rest is crucial for recovery. Make sure to get plenty of sleep. Avoid strenuous activities to allow your body to heal. Keep your environment comfortable. Consider using a humidifier to ease congestion. Monitor your symptoms throughout the day. If your symptoms worsen or persist, consult a healthcare professional. After a day or two of treatment, you should start to feel better. Continue taking Theraflu as needed, following the instructions. Remember, recovery takes time, so be patient with your body. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.